In the heart of innovation and luxury, Dubai is embracing a new era of convenience. Introducing the rise of grocery delivery apps, transforming the way Dubai shops for essentials. At the forefront of this digital revolution is iTechnolabs, a pioneering mobile app development company in Dubai. With a passion for innovation, iTechnolabs has developed multiple seamless and user-friendly grocery delivery apps tailored to the needs of Dubai's fast-paced lifestyle. We develop feature-packed grocery delivery apps to enhance the experience of busy individuals and families. Some basic features are real-time tracking, alerts and reminders, manage ratings and comments. Behind every tap and swipe, there's a dedicated team of developers, designers, and visionaries. iTechnolabs empowering Dubai's digital evolution, one delivery at a time. Join the movement and embrace the future of convenience. Contact iTechnolabs to build any kind of mobile app today.